Hi there. Today I'd like to discuss the topic that's been a focus in the media this week that was sparked from a recent article in Choice magazine that was voicing a concern that finance brokers are submitting around 50% of all home loan applications in Australia at the moment. Amongst other things, this article discussed the point that consumers are now choosing to obtain their finance through finance brokers instead of dealing directly with the banks and lenders to choose their home loan. And that this could potentially mean that they are not being provided the right home loan solution by the broker. This concern seemed to be based around the assumption that different brokers may not make objective recommendations about the home loans to the customers because of the way that they are remunerated. I'll come back to that in a minute and explain why that's absolutely not the case at Mortgage Choice. But firstly, I'd just like to say the fact that 50% of all home loans in Australia are being submitted by finance brokers actually means that 50% of Australians have chosen to go to finance experts to help them choose from the variety of home loan options available from many different lenders in the market. Rather than walking straight into a branch where they only get offered the choice of a small suite of products of about 4 or 5 from that one lender, and that lender wouldn't compare their finance solutions with other banks in the market. I do find it strange that a publication that focuses on consumer choice is not actually celebrating the fact that 50% of all home loan customers in Australia have actually become more savvy about where they get their home loan finance advice from. And in turn, by becoming more savvy, they are being offered more choice, more information, and this is actually empowering them to get better finance solutions. But anyway, let's get back to explaining why at Mortgage Choice, our finance recommendations are based categorically on the needs and requirements of our clients and not influenced at all by how we are paid. At Mortgage Choice, we provide our customers with a wide range of loan options from a panel of about 28 lenders. Our recommendations are based purely on the client's needs and requirements and not on how we're paid. Furthermore, the way in which we are remunerated is unique amongst the finance broking market. And it will always mean that as a Mortgage Choice customer, we will be your trusted financial partner. To help clarify my point though, I do need to further explain how mortgage brokers are remunerated in general in the market. All mortgage brokers are paid a fee from the lender as a result for settling a new loan. And this is why you don't have to pay a fee to the broker for arranging your home loan finance because the bank pays us instead. So in general, different lenders pay different commission rates, and it's their choice as to what rate they pay for a loan. It's not up to the finance broker to determine that rate. What rate the lender chooses is dependent upon a variety of factors. And to put in simple terms, a $500,000 loan, for example, would actually be paid a different commission from different lenders in the market. What the recent article was alluding to was the fact that brokers may make recommendations to clients based upon which lender would pay them more money for that loan. And this would mean that the recommendations are based on the commissions received by the broker as opposed to what's best for the customer. I can see how they may make this assumption, but what I can say is that because Mortgage Choice is unique in the finance broking market, we will not be making these choices this way. At Mortgage Choice, as franchisees, we have made an agreement to be paid the same fee from each lender, regardless of which lender the client chooses to proceed with. This means that if a client comes to us for a $500,000 loan, that it doesn't matter which lender that they choose to proceed with, we will be paid the same commission. This means our recommendations and finance solutions are always based on the requirements and needs of the client and not on how we'll be paid. How reassuring is that? With the interest rates at record lows in the market and so many lenders to choose from, isn't it important that you can trust the finance expert to help find a solution for you that is competitive but also based on what's right for you? If you would like to talk to an expert finance broker who will be truly your trusted financial partner looking on solutions based on your needs, give my team at Mortgage Choice here in Perth CBD a call. We'd love to chat with you today. Ciao.